Hello, maintenance group. It's my pleasure to come to you this way to get a message out about where the group has been this last year and where we're going in the next year. So 2020 has brought its own unique challenges to the world between COVID, civil unrest, and things going on in the world outside of anyone's control inside the maintenance group. It's been difficult on our families, our team, and I just want to take a few minutes to recognize that and thank you for all you've done for our state and nation to begin with this morning. The second thing I want to talk about is that last year's climate survey, there was a lot of responses for more time to do camaraderie things, to build the team, to get to know our teammates better, and to get back to having some fun. The intent of the group this coming year is to do more of that. We've already started some of that this year. Some other events that are in the works that are coming our way, and I just want to take a couple minutes to recognize that and tell you what our expectations is for those type of events. Is that we want to take the time, give us the white space, no flying, and get together with our teammates, have some fun, get to know people in other shops, and get to know their backgrounds and where they come from and how they wound up being a swamp fox. So, as we do these events, it's your teammates that are planning it. I've given the direction to them to come up with different ideas and different things that we can do as a group to build camaraderie across the team. And some of your teammates have come up with some brilliant ideas of where to take us and how to get us to that point. We as supervision have discussed with ops of taking downtime and giving us the white space to come together as a team better. So I challenge each of us as we do these events to not do the normal and just grab a plate of food and go back to your shops, but to actually talk to those members that you may not know. Pick somebody out of the crowd that is in another shop and ask them what makes them happy, what they like to do for fun, and build that camaraderie with them and build a deeper connection with your fellow teammates here in the maintenance group. And that includes myself and the rest of the supervision team. Getting out and knowing our airmen, knowing what makes you tick, makes you come to work every day, what's your why, and I think it's important for us to do that as a team, especially with the challenging year of 2020. So what has 2020 brought us? It's brought us a lot of jets being off station, the COVID impact to us, split teams, drills, no drills, based on what was going on in the world, and those are all challenging things. The group itself is starting to get back to some normalcy outside of COVID. Obviously, you hear a lot about vaccines and things like that that'll help get us back into a more normal posture, both personally and professionally. The group went through the AESA mods, the upgrades with CDU and high-speed data network, minimal amount of jets on the ramp, still trying to provide combat air power to America, and it was stressful for all of us, and we know that. So I thank you for the support over the last year. We see the light at the end of the tunnel. The jets are starting to come back. You'll notice that the ramp is full with aircraft again. We're getting back into our normal posture as we went in, trying to maintain about an 80% commitment rate across the group to give us some flex time and give us, more importantly, training time for our maintainers. We want you to touch aircraft. We want you to know your jobs. We want to invest in you. So take the time, ask questions, learn lots, challenge your supervisors to teach you more every day and get better every day. As we come out of this, you look at the last couple months, we went right back into not missing a beat. In October, we flew 365 sorties, reduced attrition by almost 6%, but didn't kill the team doing it. So I'm proud of the efforts that the men and women of this group have done over the last year, and getting right back on step with a full complement of jets. 2021 is going to bring its own set of challenges with going right into a red flag in January. We do have an alert inspection coming up in February, and then big TDY coming up in the springtime, where we'll be sending people downrange to take the fight to the enemy. So we got a lot of challenges in the first quarter. I know the team is ready. We're getting there. The jets are prepped, and we're ready to go. So keep doing what you're doing. We wish you the best in the coming year, and we look forward to making you better. Thank you.